Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and let me show you how to make the simplest delicious bean stew. This meal is perfect for dinner or even lunch. I'm using 500 grams of already boiled yellow beans, 2 medium-sized chopped onion, grated garlic and ginger, salt, seasoning cube, tomatoes and carrot puree. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a skillet. Then once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the already chopped 2 medium-sized onion and cook for 1 minute. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add the already grated garlic and ginger. The combo always go well with beans. After that, I will stir for around 20 seconds, then I'll add the tomato paste and cook for another 20 seconds. At this point, I'm going to add salt, seasoning cube and curry powder to enhance the taste. Then I will add tomatoes and carrot puree. This is basically a mixture of boiled, blended tomato and carrot. So I'm gonna stir it well, then cover and let the spices and the puree cook for a little bit, approximately 1 minute or 2. After 2 minutes, I will add the already boiled beans and mix to combine. Then I will proceed with a cup of water and cover, let it simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, if the stew is not thick enough to your preference, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a bowl. Then you'll mix with a little bit of water and pour the mixture in the stew, stir and let it simmer for another 1 minute. And now that your food is ready, you're going to garnish with any herb of choice and serve with any accompaniment of choice. Beans always go well with chapati or rice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment or share this video to your friends and family. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.